Okay, so let's look at abscess, aesthetic, and aficionado. So, abscess, noun, a swollen part of the body that oozes pus. It's swollen. It's like a big bump, and if you're not careful, it's oozing pus. Oozing pus. If you fall, you might get an abscess. You get an abscess, on the chin, maybe. If you bang into something really strongly, you might get an abscess on the arm, a bruise even. It will really hurt. Or if an insect, mosquito for example, bites you, it might get swollen. You might get an abscess. Maybe not comfortable. Maybe it's sensitive. Don't touch it. Who knows? And aesthetics, the rules behind the appreciation of beauty. We made the aesthetics very modern. Modern aesthetics. We want modern aesthetics in the museum. We want to make sure the aesthetics are symmetrical. We want aesthetics that have a rhythm and a beat to it. We like the aesthetics in that painting, but not so much that painting. The beauty is nicer in that one than it is in that one. The aesthetics stand out in that building, that architecture, more so than that one. Aesthetics, the beauty. Wow. And aficionado. Noun, someone knowledgeable or keen about something. Are you a chocolate aficionado? Are you a cheese aficionado? I'm an aficionado of books and literature. Aficionado. I'm keen and knowledgeable about books. More so. I'm thinking in a way being an aficionado about Shakespeare novels, well, Shakespeare plays. Maybe. Depends on stuff, but that's an idea. But someone who is knowledgeable and keen about something. So a friend of mine will be an architect aficionado who's knowledgeable about that. I am increasingly a Spanish language aficionado. I have got some books here in Spanish that I want to read, but I got loads of other books to read first. So I am increasing my knowledge, so I'm knowledgeable, and I'm very keen to learn more and understand more of the Spanish language, the grammar, the punctuation, accents, and beyond. But am I a chocolate aficionado? Chocolate aficionado? Not really. Not truly. I like the aesthetics of chocolate, the beauty of it, the thickness, the colours, the patterns. Nice. But I don't think it's very healthy. Just like getting an abscess. It's not very healthy, not very good for the body. So I'm not a chocolate aficionado. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.